Hi, my name's Chris, and in this Udemy course, we're going to be talking about H1Z1. This is kind of a PUBG style game. I play on the PS4. Some would say it's a battle royale similar to Fortnite, but this is in my opinion, more of a realistic style game, and it's one that's very popular. It's growing. You can play it on PC, PS4, but in this course, we're going to be talking about how I typically win all the matches I play on solo mode, and I have a bunch of tips, bunch of strategies that no one seems to be talking about. So in this course, I'm just gonna tell you what they are, so you can start getting a lot of kills. You're gonna have like a easy breeze, no problem. You're gonna win those overall matches, and I'm gonna talk about all this in this course. In fact, this is our 26th Udemy course, and we're around that 7,000 student mark. So welcome, and I hope you check out this whole course and improve your gaming abilities on the H1Z1 gaming platform coming up.